So guys, for today's video meron tayong XTZ dito na pina-installan ng mini driving light. So i-update natin mamaya guys kung matapos natin to. So ayan guys, natapos natin install yung mini driving light guys sa XTZ ni boss So ayan, itatry natin. Try natin guys yung MDL nya. So ayan, yung low nya guys high, low at saka high. Hello guys, magandang gabi guys meron naman tayong isang XTZ na kulay itim. Lalagyan naman tayo natin ng ang MDL tsaka palitan ng white na headlight bulb. So tara guys, yung pinalitan natin yung headlight bulb na Osram tsaka yung MDL. So ipatry natin kay boss guys. Try daw boss, low. Ayan, siyang low niya guys then high daw boss. Ayan, yung high niya guys. So goods na yung niya guys MDL na in-install natin ngayon. So overtime na naman guys. So maraming salamat. God bless and ride safe always.